that, guys. 2021 uh, is my Kodu today. You see, huge, big, really, and this will be more bigger because they have still like feel like it will be more bigger. So, guys, look at that, and I may be coming more too. Look at that. I do pollinate. This year I have also this Spanish Kodu পাতা খাইছি ভুট্টা আসলে এটা আসলে গিফটেড প্লান্ট আছে আমার ফ্যামিলি থেকে আমি পাইছি মাশাআল্লাহ আমি আগে সবার মাঝে দরাইয়া আমার আগর সিটির থাকতে খাইছি বাট মাটির মাঝে এগুলা দরাইয়া আসলে খাইছি না ও দেখো আসলে দিস অগুত থাকি মানে সদুটা হয়েছে এগু গিফটেড আছিল তো আমি অগুত সিন দিছি যাতে গিফটেড বুঝতাম পরে আর ওগো আমার তো দুইটা আসলে মোটামুটি ম্যাচিউর প্লান্ট আর বাকি কোন ছোটো ছোটো এটা আসলে ওই তো নয় মনে করি খাটার কিছু সারা লাগাইছি ওখান না খালি দেখলাম আর কি হয়নি আর ও this is my garden grapes. I don't know this sweet or not, maybe I have to try more later, not ready yet. So guys, 2021 my gardening today is August 2021. This is beetroot. By the seed they come automatically. Next year again will come. And there is my whole garden. Really they still have to do lots of job. It's my pear, guys, my apples, and too many plants here, and I still have to do a lot here. Look at that, guys. And this is also winter fruits. I like winter fruits because this time you can't get enough, so better to go an overview. Look at that, guys, my garden. This is poppy seed, so I can collect or I can throw it, so come back again next time. Look very gorgeous when poppy seed grow. So there's also jackfruits. I will make mini greenhouse over there. I'll make me little trays like with this and give polythene, so it will be little greenhouse here. Jackfruit really I try to grow in pot is not work because maybe there is more grapes, green one. Maybe because the root is very strong, they need dirty ground. Maybe I'm not sure. You have to try really. Whatever. Okay, this is pomegranate, guys. Grapes. I'm very excited about this Kodu, guys. Look at that size. You will understand with my hand. I don't want to touch it because they will be grow more. I want to make it seed really. Only 10 seed, 5 pounds. I buy crazily and try to grow, but my seeded one really not grow. It is gifted one, I'm sure, because this one they grow from January or from December. They grow very earlier. This year I will try to grow in December also. I will. I don't know work or not. I will try my best. I tried last time, but it's not work. Now with more experience, maybe this will be work. I don't know. I do always pollinate, but sometimes in pollinate also the die. Look like in some are in every under the leaves two together. Look at that. It's so funny. Coming a lot, but not staying. Because how much I see really, guys, I grow organically. I don't keep any kind of medicine, any kind of chemical. I just do naturally like this. My kitchen waste, I throw everything: fish waste, food waste, vegetable waste, and I give water. So this is how I really grow. This is scented flower, guys. It's nice. And my rose, guys, look so bad. This red rose lips also rose red and yellow rose. This is very scented, guys. I'm so excited because of Kodu. And there I give polythene because grass you can't control. I'm very happy about these. You know, Puma rose. This is Puma rose. I almost think this is maybe died. This was in greenhouse in the winter. I put outside now, but it's come from you know soil again. So I'm so excited. It's my favorite Puma rose. Then you never get that in market. I never see it. I eat in childhood. My dad used to buy. So this is and banana. Last time banana is died, so I buy again. And that finger, jujube flower. It is boroi, Bangladeshi boroi, like this Bangladeshi called boroi. Jujube plant, that one is was in indoor, in the garden, greenhouse, but I put it outside. I can't carry this big one, big pot, but big pot, guys. So I'll make own greenhouse here with case, make case and keep polythene so on greenhouse and make here. This is my plan for this jujube and this pumaros. I'll make own greenhouse. Make sure they don't die. So another thing I hmm, find out because this is not compost. This is garden soil. This was strong. Don't die. They come back. Compost sometimes kill plant because when